Hey, aspiring traders, this is Jason E. from Trading Ascension, and I have some good news and some bad news for traders. I've seen different stats, but I'm in the ballpark saying around 5% of those who try make it to consistent profitability in this game. That's the good news, because even if it was 0.5%, that means it's possible, and people are doing it every day, every week, and every month, so why not me and why not you? The bad news is 85% and upwards of winning in this game is measured by a few inches. That's the inches from ear to ear, your human brain, your mind, your ability to cultivate the qualities of a successful trader. That's consistency, emotional control, and the ability to avoid bias that pushes you out of the moment into perceptual distortion. Holding confidence in spite of adverse conditions and never giving up. This is a cold business, forcing you to face your inner demons and grow, or get chewed up and spit out over and over again until your trading account is as dry as the desert and you cry uncle. Trading is a personal development program with compensation. It can be a lonely path, and it's going to take motivation to persevere, but that motivation will eventually have to come from within and transform into discipline. Until then, I'll be here with you. Every other day, you can find growth opportunities with the TA Podcast to help your trading ascend to new levels, and the days in between right here on YouTube, finding an increasing abundance, which you can't get anywhere else. That's short motivational videos with applicable knowledge for your trading journey. Quick hits focused on different topics to give you a boost so you can quickly get back to your craft with increased focus, wisdom, and source energy. I know you can do it. I knew you could do it.